की खूब और का बातें से टीवी. Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ramangi hakrdob ying jongpi.
Kanhun Menteri jong ka Sorkar jela ka balai shong jingelang hak pratrik wisau arja pusau kalai theriatai sani badai banwan ra dakaan khnang man pin urlong ya ka jingtre jong ka Medical College ha University of Science and Technology Meghalaya kono ektien jong ka Sorkar jela ka Dr. Primingdo hakaji kren bikilat pathai khubor kala pentim paka Kanhun Menteri kan sa shong jingelang biang hakasni balang jong ka teo banwan baya thir sani halogani amat bot adaka kam kadawa ka Sorkar ru kala banwanra daka ordinance khnang bandup la banpin Treikam no ya ka Medical College High University of Science and Technology Meghalaya.
Cabinet was pleased to decide that we will not be able to allow the USTM to function without a proper act in place because we are mandated as a state government to monitor allocations of seats, fees of courses, and we have therefore decided that Cabinet will again sit after the Health Department brings forward its plan for the act, and on Wednesday we are scheduled to meet again with the Honourable Chief Minister and the Cabinet, where we will again brief you for more information on this matter. The first time for the medical college? No, not for the entire university, but for the medical college. We have to have an act in position. This is the medical college, no? This is the PA Sangma International Medical College. And the state has to monitor all of that as per mandate of law. So we're going ahead and we're doing it. There is no confusion. We have to be directed. Once the NOC has been given to USTM to start operation, it is offering state government some seats. We have to be guided by an act, and hence to make sure that we are doing things in the correct way, we follow what is being done in other states. Other states also have private medical colleges. We have to do that, and we have to follow and make sure that the best practice is adopted so that we are guided by this act. We will try our best to complete procedures with its stipulated time of the end of October, which is when it is again mandated for all medical courses to begin.
So next year we can expect these 40 seats?
No, this year.
No.
Not about 40 or 30 or we don't know how many. We are coming up with an act and we will be guided by that act. Certain states give 60%, certain state gives 30%, certain state gives 40%. We have to decide as a state which is the model of operation in our state.
Can you tell us the name of the act?
No. We are coming up with the medical college, private university and government for our own state. We are also looking at government colleges in the pipeline in the future. There has to be some guiding rule. So we have to have certain, this is mandatory as we see is being done in other states.